In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect earbuds to smartphone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using any model of earbuds that you have with a smartphone is extremely simple. The process is, in most cases, the same for Android or iOS. So all that you have to do is follow the instructions in this video, and you will be able to set up and use any earbuds that you have. So I'm going to assume that your set of earbuds are wireless. If that's the case, then they will be connected primarily over Bluetooth. To do this, it is going to depend on the specific model that you have. For most of them, as soon as you open the lid, while they are still inside of the case, they should go into pairing mode right away. This will be indicated by blinking lights, and once they are in pairing mode, you can connect them to your phone. If they don't go into pairing mode right away, you might have to do a specific combination of buttons that I'm going to talk about later. So head over into the settings of your device, either Android or iOS, and then go into the Bluetooth category. Inside of Bluetooth, make sure that it has been enabled. And finally, perform the combination of buttons for pairing mode. An example would be double tapping the front of the case on the AirPods 4. But of course, this is going to differ for every single set of earbuds out there. Sadly, I cannot give instructions for every single model. So if you are curious about how to set up pairing mode for your specific model of earbuds, make sure that you read the manual. This will either involve taking them out of the case and they will automatically go, pressing a specific physical button on the case, or something similar. Either way, once they go into pairing mode, they will appear under Other Devices on the Bluetooth Available Devices page, and all that you have to do now is choose them from the list. Once you select them, they will be paired up and ready to use with your smartphone. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.